Okay, now we're going to write problem number 4. What is the correct solution for the inequality? So as you can see right now, we're having inequalities. Well, just like I said, solving equations and solving inequality are most likely the same. It's just that there are some additional information that you might be needing whenever you're talking about of inequality, just like inequalities whenever you are dividing or when you are multiplying a negative number, the symbol must reverse. It's like from less than, if you have divided the negative number, okay, the sum from less than, it will be reversing to greater than, or at the same time, if it's greater than, it should be reversed into less than. Okay, that is only happening whenever you are multiplying or dividing a negative number. But if it's not a negative number that you're dividing, the symbol still the same. It's as is. Okay, now we proceed to our guide problem number 4. So it says right here, negative 10x. I got negative 10x plus 50 is less than to 10. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you, what are the operations that we're having here? I got right here plus 50. So what again is the inverse or the opposite operation of plus 50? Okay, that is minus. Okay, very good. Addition, opposite is subtraction. So that means to say I need to subtract minus 50 on both sides since that is plus 50. So that's minus 50, that's minus 50. So solving this out, so 50 minus 50 is actually 0. So that's going to be canceled out. So what was left in here? It's going to be negative 10x is going to be what? Less than, okay, I got a positive number, I got a negative number. What happens when you combine a positive and the negative? Well, basically, you need to subtract it because I got a positive, I got a negative. So when you subtract it, you have to copy the sign of the higher number. So which of these two has a higher number? Is actually a higher number despite of their signs. Is that 50 or 10? It's actually the 50. So you're gonna copy the sign of 50, which is basically negative. And then again, you're gonna subtract it. What is 50 minus 10? It's gonna be 40. So that's gonna be negative 40. There you are. So we're solving again to the value of x. So what do you mean by negative 10 in x? Once again, if you put them together, that's it. That's actually multiplication. So the way you're gonna do it, opposite of multiply, division. Divide them. So what are you going to divide? Whatever the partner of x. The partner of x here is negative 10, so I'm going to divide this by negative 10. By negative 10. Again, whatever you divide, it must be the same number. Okay, like I said a while ago that whenever you divide a negative number, when you talk about of inequalities, what happens? You're gonna reverse the symbol. So in this case, we're going to reverse the symbol because I'm dividing a negative number. So that means negative 10 divided by negative 10 is basically positive 1x. So this is going to be x. Okay, I have divided. So from that less than, we need to reverse and make it greater than. What is negative divided by negative once again? It's going to be positive. And 40 divided by 10, how many 10 could I have in a 40? That's 4. So the answer is going to be x greater than 4. And that's going to be what? Letter B. There you are.